In this video, I'll share with you how to create an HTML email creative in the WebStarts email marketing app. Follow along by logging into your WebStarts account or signing up to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the site where you want to create the HTML email. Click on the email marketing app panel. Select an email marketing plan if you haven't already. The app will open to the Compose tab. There you'll see an HTML email template you can edit. You can also click Browse Templates to select a different one. Add elements to your HTML email by dragging them from the sidebar. Add and adjust columns and rows, and then drag content into them. Upload images or select them from the library. Select your columns and adjust your content position using padding controls. Automatically control the width of elements or specify using the slider. Select elements and link from them by entering a URL in the action section. Change the background color of entire sections or specific columns. Use undo and redo in case you get lost. Click Preview to see what your email will look like on each device. Edit your email to look great on desktops and mobile devices. Select a list and enter a subject line and click the Test button to do a real-life test. Click the Save button and your HTML email will be saved under the Drafts tab. Click the Send button to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. To add the HTML email to a follow-up campaign, click on the Campaigns tab. Click the Create Campaign button if you haven't already created one. Click the Add Email to Campaign button and then select the HTML email from the drafts. Be sure to select the list designated to that campaign. Click Save and the email creative is added to the campaign. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.